DIY Fire Wreath. So my wife, who you all know by now is a witch, wanted me to fetch her some bone dust. My babes wants bone dust. My babes is gonna get bone dust. I went into her potion room to fetch the dust. Shit, we're all out.
Well, that's just fucking great!
Well, here in the Panhandle, there isn't a bonatorium for 100 miles in any direction, so I was in a pickle. Say what? Who said that? It was Larry the Fairy. Or maybe it was Mary. Honestly, it could have been Harry. Larry, Mary, and Harry the Fairies look exactly alike. Anyway, Larry gave me a fantastic idea. Who needs a bonatorium when you can make your own bone dust?
I'll do it myself.
I gathered my supplies, a wire wreath frame, orange battery-powered string lights, hot glue, great stuff expanding foam, and various skulls and bones, and I got to work. First, I wrapped the string lights around the back of the wreath form, securing them here and there with hot glue. After wrapping 2 packs of lights, I put some tape over the lights to hold them in place. The witch will love this for sure. Gold star for yours truly. I allowed myself a moment to dream of my reward. Next, I sprayed the wreath form with expanding foam. This is the kind of no-skill project custom-made for dumb gorillas and guys like me. If you try this at home, I suggest putting a layer of cling film over the cardboard. It'll make things easier later on. Then I pressed the skulls and bones into the expanding foam. When the foam was hard enough to handle, I carried it outside and sprayed it with layer after layer of red, gray, and black paint until my skulls and bones looked positively smoldering.
You just smoldered.
That's it. My fire wreath was finished. Just look at those beautiful roasting bones. My babes will love the convenience of harvesting bone dust right at our doorstep. You know, I think I'll keep this fire wreath up until December. It may come in handy when my in-laws pop in for Thanksgiving. Follow along for more fun Halloween crafts and DIYs.